I presuppose you saw the last video I did on how to set up an account on OneWin platform. So now let's set you up for success by instructing you and showing you how to deposit money into the platform so that you may begin to bet big time. So what you do is, once you happen to log in, you click here where it reads deposit. You hover over this green button. I presuppose you're able to see it. So once you click here, you're gonna see this window that will pop up. So make sure that you select the the correct network provider that you're using. Okay, so is it Zamtel, is it MTN? So by default MTN is selected. So what you do is, if you're using an MTN line, go by if you're using Airtel, select Airtel. If you want to deposit by using crypto wallets, there's Tether, you can use this one, or Ethereum. There's Ripple, Stellar, USDC, BNB Smart Chain, then TRC Tron. So you can make use any of these, but here is the thing, we're gonna go with the simplest, right? So go by Airtel, then punch your Airtel line there. I'm not saying you just have to use Airtel. If you are using Zamtel, go by Zamtel. If you're using MTN, go by Zamtel. Use MTN. If you want to use crypto wallets or smart chains, click this last tab, which is in the bottom right, and you're gonna see the options by which you can actually deposit money into this platform. So I'm gonna go by Airtel. Then they're saying the minimum is 30. I'm gonna punch in the number. Okay, so once the payment is successful, you're gonna receive a notification that the payment has been successful. Don't log out until you see that everything has gone through successfully. So I'll be showing you other things that you can do and how you can do them on the platform. I'll be teaching you how to bet and how to do one or two more other things. So stay tuned. See you in the next video.